What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, I'm Tyler, and if you have paid attention to any of these videos on this channel, this car has drastically changed, and then I fell off the face of the earth for the last 6 months. How are you guys doing? Where have I been? I guess an even better question is like, where am I? I'm in some random parking structure because the first intro clips that you guys have seen obviously are different than from where we started, because we got kicked out of the first location. Of course, they got heavy security now because somebody ruined it for everybody. Of course, happens. It feels good to be back and posting on the channel, and to be honest, I actually haven't gone anywhere. I've been making videos like crazy. I just have not posted them for you guys because I have been putting together an entire series of my journey to get to SEMA, and there was so much stuff that happened, and I just kept filming and making videos and filming and making videos, and I wanted to put together the most perfect documentary series of everything of me building this thing. So I have an entire series that consists of 6 videos that are each 30-minute episodes, and they're like freaking movies. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'll also be posting behind the scenes videos of everything to give you guys a little hint of what that series is going to entail. Let's show you guys everything that happened with this car and what you can expect seeing this series. A lot's changed since you guys have last seen this thing. First thing I want to start off, the front splitter, yeah, that's carbon. The side skirt, these are all carbon. Sorry, it's a little dirty. The wing is now carbon. The diffuser is now carbon. The roof is now carbon. And if you thought it couldn't get any better, the trunk is now carbon, and the cage is mint. Literally, it's mint. Oh man, this is all dirty. I should have wiped this all down before I showed you guys this, but hey, it is what it is. Also, if you guys notice something, we have flat panel under trays here that are black, and the vents are now carbon with black. They're two-toned. And the biggest change, clearly, obviously, you guys have already seen the car, is this lavender purple. It's insane. I love it. And in this series, we do absolutely everything. You guys watch me wrap some of this car. You guys watch me lay. We do this together. We lay the side skirts in carbon. We do the roof in carbon. We lay the wing in carbon. And we do the trunk. All here in this series. You guys watch me do the most insane things and go to the most insane lengths to make this build happen. I lose sleep. I turn spare bedrooms in my house into carbon rooms. Oh, and one more thing else that we're forgetting. The Falcon RT660s. These tires are freaking sick. I love them. The only thing is with these tires, they are incredibly sticky and they shoot a bunch of rocks. So there's still some stuff we have to tidy up on this build. And man, oh man, oh man, am I excited to share all of this stuff with you guys. It is very exciting. I had a ton of fun doing it, even though I was stressed out, and it was not easy, to say the least. It was not easy, and it was very expensive. But yeah, I had a ton of fun, and I can't wait to share this. Like I said, this first video is coming out on Friday. Very excited. We also have stickers for this thing. We have Smush Car Cayman stickers. I wish I had one here to show you guys because I did not bring them. I've already released the stickers on Instagram and TikTok. If you guys have not been following me on Instagram or TikTok, that stuff has been going absolutely insane. Links will be on the screen and in the description. At the time that we're making this video, I have 65,000 people following me on Instagram and freaking 55,000 people following me on TikTok. Everything has absolutely exploded, and I haven't even shared anything with the people that I love most is here, right here on YouTube. All of you guys. Well, the most intimate experience, right? I'm just excited. And I cannot wait to build or show you guys this whole build. And I cannot wait to show you guys what else I have cooking. We've been working on the Genesis too. But this was just a quick update to show you guys what happened with the car, to let you guys know that we will be having a series and there will be tons and tons and tons of videos coming 2023. I know it's a little bit late already in the year, but I've been working hard to edit this entire series. It's taken a lot out of me. For each video, I've had over 15 hours of footage. Over 15 hours of footage per each video, and each episode is like freaking 45 minutes long. It is insane, and I hope that you guys like it and stick around through the majority of it. I think there's going to be some behind the scenes stuff that I actually cut out as well out of this series, and then just will release as whole videos, because some of this stuff was crazy and some of this stuff was super fun, and there was funny times that I just didn't feel like benefited the series itself. It just kind of dragged on. It was useless information even though it was fun. But they do serve a purpose to have a whole fun video in and of itself, just the experience, and watch me mess around with some of my close friends that help me get this done. That's where I've been. I have been making videos nonstop. I've been editing like crazy. I've been working on this thing. I've been conjuring up new ideas on how to make this channel way more exciting, and how to bring more stuff and more content to you guys. Because to be honest, 2023, I'm going to set a goal for myself right now, is to make content full-time, making builds or doing something in the automotive space, and fully employing myself, being self-employed, and building cars or motorcycles or whatever it is that I want to do as far as build-wise goes. And I hope that you guys can stick around through that with me. And if this video gets no views, it's all right. I understand. I've been away for a while, but this will be the testament right here. You guys can come back to this video. I can reference this later and show you guys back, look, we did it. Or maybe we didn't. I don't know. But nonetheless, I'm super excited. So if you guys are excited about this series, comment down below, let me know. I'm excited to share this with you guys. I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have stuck around on this channel, I absolutely appreciate the love and support that you guys have been giving me and sticking around with me for this long, even though I've been dormant and gone for so long. Hopefully I can revive this channel and bring something new to this space and just keep creating, baby. I don't want this channel to die. And also comment down below, what do you guys think? Should I continue to keep posting videos on this channel? I've been building it for so long, but it kind of did die out. I let it die for so long. Should I start a brand new channel, repurpose all my content, just push it out there so that it's all fresh, new, the algorithm can serve it up? Or do I try to revive this one? I don't know. I don't really know what the best idea is here. So that one I'll let you guys kind of think on, and let me know what you guys think would be the best solution, because to be honest, I don't mind starting new. It almost feels like that anyways. I mean, I'm not saying that each and every one of you guys watching at home isn't important to me, and I don't appreciate your support. However, I would, like I said, trying to become self-employed and doing everything, you know, part of this is getting views. So, or at least selling something, t-shirts, stickers, something that monetarily benefits me, so that I can not only pay my bills and afford to live in my house, but also build cars and bring content for you guys, because doing this is extremely expensive. And the thing that's difficult for me right now is that I am working full-time, which pays for everything, which is great. However, the caveat to that is I don't have a lot of time. So if I could free up a lot of time to build and edit and produce, I would more than love to just do that. So maybe it's a Patreon, maybe it's a who knows. But now I'm just ranting, but yeah. I guess that's going to be it for this video. Peace out. Thank you guys very much if you're sticking around to the end of this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and maybe at the end of this I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of some stuff. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace. We're out of here. This is what I look like in my suit. It's even got the feet.